You want to finish painting projects as quickly as possible while getting great results and avoiding the mess and hassle of brushing and rolling. The TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayers are part of Graco's DIY series sprayers, designed with the do-it-yourselfer in mind, rated for light-duty projects, making painting fast, fun, and easy. The TrueCoat 360 comes in 3 versions and is ideal for projects up to 2 gallons in size, allowing you to tackle a range of projects every year. First is the TrueCoat 360 single speed. This sprayer includes 2 spray tips for paint projects, providing you a choice of fan patterns fitting your project's needs. Next is the TrueCoat 360 dual speed, which gives you greater control with 2 speed settings. Low for more control on detailed projects, and high for larger jobs where you want to finish faster. And finally, the TrueCoat 360 variable speed gives you the ultimate control. You can dial it from 1 to 10. It truly lets you dial in your project pace. Start on 1 or 2 for smaller detailed projects like cabinet doors or trim. Turn it up to 5 or 6 for that medium-sized surface. Then bump up the speed to 9 or 10 to tackle walls and larger surfaces in a breeze. Both TrueCoat 360 dual speed and variable speed models include 2 paint tips and 2 stain tips, giving you the ultimate control for any project. All TrueCoat 360s offer exclusive features, like the patented Flex Liner, giving you the ability to spray in any direction, even upside down. The funnel strainer system allows you to fill and strain your paints and stains faster and cleaner. You can do more and do it faster with a Graco TrueCoat 360. All Graco True Airless sprayers are built right here in the USA, allowing you the fastest way to finish with one-pass coverage, the ability to spray coatings unthinned with less overspray, and provides pro-grade technology in a user-friendly design. Nothing beats the True Airless experience.